Hey everyone, my name's Tara Wilkins. I'm a personal trainer and I teach a lot of different fitness classes, and I'm here to talk to you about motivation tips. I'm going to tell you 5 trainer motivation tips to get yourself to the gym to keep working out. Grateful. I would be super grateful if you gave this a thumbs up and shared this with someone who you think really needs it. And also hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, tip number 1. Get something that's gonna track your movement. Like you got an Apple Watch. I'm sure there's the Fitbit. There's a lot of different tools to help. It can track your steps. There's other brands. So I've got the Apple Watch right here. I also, to keep me motivated, to keep me going, I have a belt. Mine is specifically the MyZone belt, and I have a video that I made. I can link that down below, but what it is it tracks how hard you're working, and there's other tips on that as well, but those are great to help you keep coming, earn the points, and it's a fun game. Tip number 2, set up a schedule for your workouts. What that means is, let's say you haven't worked out in so long. It's just really hard to set the habit. So let's start out small. Start out once a week. Set a time for at least, I would love to be longer than 30 minutes, but set a time, 30 minutes, maybe less. Maybe go on a 30-minute walk. Walk your animals, walk your kids. Maybe go up your stairs a couple times. Do what you can. Do what you can with what you have, and you can do it at home. Tip number 3, lay out your workout clothes the night before. So if this isn't something of a habit, this can sometimes trigger you in the morning to get your workout clothes. Oh, I gotta work out today. That's right. Okay, so then you know what to do and when to do it. Number 4 motivation tip is to pick an awesome playlist. Something that gets you pumped up in the morning, ready to go when you really don't want to do it. Or if you like podcasts, audiobooks, something like that, sometimes that can get you pumped up and ready to exercise and work out. And you won't even realize that you're working out. So you can pop in the podcast, go on a speedy walk, or maybe a jog. Maybe you didn't even know you were jogging, but you can always do that as well. Number 5, if all else fails and you really just don't have that motivation within, grab a partner. Tell everybody what you're doing. Grab someone that you trust if you don't want to tell everyone. You can grab someone, go on a walking date with them, and catch up that way. You're exercising. There you go. So I hope that these have helped. Make sure to subscribe down below and give this a like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, you guys.